Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is cold and sneezing a symptom of COVID? Sneezing is not normally a symptom of COVID-19, and much more likely to be a sign of a regular cold or allergy. Even though many people with COVID-19 might sneeze, it's not a definitive symptom because sneezing is so common, especially in the warmer months where people might experience hay fever. Dual Q. 8, 1442 What does it mean when you sneeze a lot and have a runny nose? A runny or stuffy nose can also be a symptom of allergies. Allergic rhinitis, known as hay fever, is a term used to describe allergic reactions in the nose. Symptoms of hay fever can include sneezing, congestion and runny nose, as well as itching in your nose, eyes and/or the roof of your mouth. Is sneezing a good thing? Sneezing can be both a good and a bad thing. Good for you because your nose is protecting you from unwanted illnesses such as the flu. The bad comes when other people get sick. Your sneeze blasts bacterial droplets into the air and onto the skin and tissue of anyone in the vicinity of the sneeze. Rab. 229, 1436 How long does sneezing last with a cold? Peak. Runny nose or congestion, cough, sneezing, and low-grade fever can last anywhere from a few days to a whole week. Late stage. Fatigue, cough, and congestion or a runny nose are late-stage symptoms of the cold, typically happen around days 8 to 10. Saf. 6, 1442
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.